Yes, guys, once again, this is Val99, and today I'm going to make a Lotus cheesecake. This is no bake cheesecake. So, first, you are going to grind the biscuits, then add some melted butter. Okay, guys, mix it well. Yes, and press it into the bottom of our removable tray. Yes. Then put it in the freezer. Okay, while we are mixing also the cheese. Here we go. I have here 3 cups of creamy cheese. Yes. And going to add also a half cup of Lotus biscuit spread. Yes. You can buy this one in the supermarket. Then added a half cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of whipping cream. Then the last is the gelatin blend, melted gelatin blend. Yes. Then going to add also a vanilla essence. Yes, then put it in the blender. Yes. Until the whole ingredients will mix very well. Yes, guys. Then here is our biscuit. I bring it from the freezer. Then add the cheese on top. Yes. This is a very simple but yet delicious. If you don't have any or you don't have an oven in your house, you can do it because there's no need to oven, no bake cheesecake. So put it back into the fridge. Yes. Here we go, guys. We are going to melt also again 3 tablespoons of Lotus spread. Yes. Put it in the microwave for just a couple of seconds. Then this is what happened. Gonna be melt. Then put it on top into our cheese, our topper. Yes. And again, put it back into the fridge. Yes. We need to sit the Lotus spread. For just 30 minutes or less of that. Here we go, guys. Yes, and this is ready to serve, but anyway, this is optional. I add some grinded Lotus biscuit on top. Yes, before we serve, and a berries, a collection of berries. So here we go. Yes, perfect. And here is the grinded biscuit. Put it on top. Yes. Really, guys, this cheesecake is so amazing. Fantastic taste. Yes. And easy. Simple ingredients. See? And of course, the berries. This is optional as well. Yes. This is a collection of berries. I put it around the cake. Yes, guys. And I add also more biscuits on top. Yes. salt.